Hello, grammar enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language journey. Today, we are diving into another topic, which is 10 different ways to say good afternoon. Let's explore 10 alternatives that will add flair to your expression. 10 other ways to say good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How can I help you? Afternoon greetings. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Let us begin our meeting now. Top of the afternoon. Hey there, top of the afternoon to you. Bright afternoon. Despite the rain earlier today, isn't this the lovely bright afternoon? Beautiful afternoon. What a beautiful afternoon. The flowers look stunning. Cheerful afternoon. Cheerful afternoon, everyone. May your spirits remain high till the end of the day. Productive afternoon. Wishing you a focused and a productive afternoon ahead. Calm afternoon. Have a calm and peaceful afternoon. Quiet afternoon. Quiet afternoon. Please keep noise levels low. Thank you. Busy afternoon. Busy afternoon here. Sorry if we seem rushed off our feet.